Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Today we're going to look at the drawing for alcohols. As part of organic chem, this is the third homologous series for alcohol. Alcohol has general formula of CnH2n plus 1 OH. So we need to know what the N is, the name, the molecular formula, the structural formula, okay. So we know alcohol has a functional group of OH, which is the hydroxyl group. When we see this OH with a carbon-containing compound, we can tell it's an alcohol. We learned earlier that alkane, you remember what is the general formula for alkane? Alkane has a general formula of CnH2n plus 2. Right? So we have methane, which looks like this, CnH2n plus 2, which is CH4. Then we have ethane, which is C2H6. So it's CnH2n plus 2. So in this case, we are just removing one hydrogen and replacing it with the OH. Okay, look carefully. You just need to replace one hydrogen with an OH. That becomes a methanol, which is CH, remove one H here, 3OH. Same for ethane, you remove one hydrogen and you put in OH. This becomes a ethanol, C2H5, remove one hydrogen and add in the OH, and you actually get ethanol. Okay, let's draw it over here now. So N equals to 1. Remember, one carbon is meth, so it's methanol. Methanol means there is only one carbon. So molecular formula is CH3OH. So a single carbon with 4 bonds, O and H. Then you have N equals to 2, which is eth. So you have ethanol, C2H, 2n plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. OH. So you're going to draw 2 carbon with hydrogen. And the last hydrogen you're going to replace with the OH. And similarly, for 3 carbon, what is the name for 3 carbon alcohol? 3 carbon alcohol is pro and ends with a ANOL. You notice they all end with ANOL for alcohol. So it's actually propanol. Propanol, C3, 2n plus 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. C3H7OH. So you're going to draw 3 carbon attached to a hydrogen each. And the last hydrogen you're going to replace with an O and a H. Okay. And methanol, ethanol and propanol, they are liquids. Okay, it's an alcohol. The most common alcohol we know is ethanol, which is also a very good solvent. So you've seen the linkage between alkane, right? You remove a hydrogen, you actually get alcohol, and you add in the OH group. So the functional group for alcohol is this hydroxyl group, the OH group. Be sure to practice how to draw your alkane, alkene, alcohol, and acid. We've come to the end of the video. For more videos, go to miraclelearningcenter.com. We are a specialist in maths and science. Thank you for watching the video.